it, I love it, I want some more.
Salamat ng marami. Natuwa si Mr. Pogi sa pitikan itlog galaw ulit.
I want some more.
I did not see that. I'm so sorry. Outlook.
I like it, I love it, I want some more.
Thank you. Ngayon lang siya nag-pop up sa akin. Ay, hindi pa ngalawa na.
Ayan, no?
Kamusta ka?
Mabuting mabuti. Ikaw, kamusta ka?
Diba?
Mr. Pogi, thank you. Nagkinis na. Thank you, Mr. Pogi! Ayan na!
Zile, y'all, mile.
Thank you! Hala, huwag na masyado. It's too much. It's okay. Hey! Thank you!
Zile, y'all, mile.
Galing-galing.
Thank you sobra. Sobrang salamat. Uy, first time ko makatanggap nun. Hindi pa ako nakakatanggap nun. It's my very first time. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you for the love. Thank you, Mr. Pogi. Salamat. Sobrang thank you. It's my very first time. Tuwan-tuwa yung mga tukmul. Akala nila sila yung kinikis ko. Tuwan-tuwa yung mga tukmul. Akala nila sila yung kinikis ko ba?
Zile, y'all, mile.
Hello. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love. Hey. I really do. So do I. So much.
Thank you for the heart, Mr. Pogi. Thank you.
Bangis mo? You are funny, girl. Yes. I always try to be happy, you know. Thank you.